The voice you are hearing right now is not my own voice. Actually, it is an AI generated voice.
Yes, that was not my actual voice. I have used an AI tool to clone my voice. I'm going to use this AI generated voice as the voiceover throughout this entire video so that you will understand how powerful it is. Now let me show you how you can clone your own voice within 2 minutes using 11 Labs. Let's begin.
First, open your favorite web browser, then go to 11labs.io and create an account. I am going to sign up using the Google option. After creating an account, you will land on this particular page. To clone your voice, click on Add Generative or Cloned Voice, then select Instance Voice Cloning. Here, you need to provide a unique name for your voice. I'll use Vishnu2 as an example. Next, upload your voice samples. You can upload up to 25 audio samples, and each should be less than 10 MB in size. I have already recorded my voice and will now upload them. After that, give a label to your voice. I'll simply use Indian, but you can skip this step if you like. It's not very important. Then, describe your voice. Here, I am typing Indian accent, but you can describe it however you prefer. Finally, select this checkbox and click on Add Voice. It will take a few minutes to clone your voice. Done. Our voice is now ready. Let's use our cloned voice. I have a short story here, and I'm going to copy this text and paste it into the text field. Now, let's generate it. It will take a few minutes. Okay, it's completed now. Let's download the output and hear how it sounds. Emily Collins, an unassuming woman, embarked on a rigorous 30-day weight loss journey that left her community puzzled and intrigued. Her intense workouts and strict diet changes. Amazing, isn't it? If you are not satisfied with the quality of your cloned voice, you can go to the voice settings and try adjusting these values until you get a better version of your voice. That's it. This is how you can clone your voice in just 2 minutes using 11 Labs AI tool.